Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Madhura and today we'll be talking about pigmentation. Now we'll be covering everything that comes under this topic, like what are the causes of pigmentation, home remedies and product recommendation that will help you to get rid of this pigmentation and how to prevent it further. So let's dive into the video. Now Indians are very much prone to pigmentation because of our melanin, because of our brown color. So it is very important to prevent beforehand rather than treating afterward. Your dark circles, acne marks, dark patches, acne spots, age spots, uneven skin tone, sun tanning, freckles, melasma, everything comes under the umbrella of pigmentation. What is pigmentation? Now pigmentation is a skin condition that will give you small or big patches on your skin that doesn't seem to match your normal skin color. The number one cause of your pigmentation is sun exposure. Now you only tell me how many of you don't step out of the house without wearing a sunscreen. There must be very few. That is the number one cause of your pigmentation. The second cause of pigmentation is genetics. That is, it is running in your family and it is passed on from your grandparents to your parents to you. The other important cause of pigmentation is because of acne marks. Now many people have this habit of picking on their acne, which is a really bad habit. Please understand this, that most of the acne leave a mark behind after they are gone, and if you keep on picking on them, they are surely going to leave a stubborn mark, which is also a cause of pigmentation. The next very common cause of pigmentation is because of hormonal issues. Now this gives you melasma most of the time. Now melasma is a skin condition that gives you dark patches mostly on this part of your skin. So that is why it is very important to take care of your skin beforehand rather than finding a cure for it afterwards. One of the best things that you can do for your skin is start wearing a sunscreen. 80% of your skin is damaged through sun's exposure, and with that I mean your dark spots, your age spots, your wrinkles, uneven skin tone, fine line happens all because of sun's exposure. And if you're doing everything that is good for your skin, investing in high-end products and not using a sunscreen, let me tell you, it's of no use. So please start wearing a sunscreen every single day with a SPF of at least 30, and with that I mean you have to wear a sunscreen daily 365 days. Even if it's raining, it's cloudy, it's sunny, no matter what, you have to wear a sunscreen every single day. Now let's jump into the DIY that will help you to get rid of the pigmentation.
Now moving on to the DIY, here I am taking 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder and 1 tablespoon of licorice powder. Now licorice powder and orange peel powder are both great for pigmentation. Also I am taking half tablespoon of wild turmeric. Please don't use your kitchen turmeric. Wild turmeric is great for pigmentation and your skin as well. Also I am using little water to make it a paste. You can even use rose water or curd to make it a paste, but I am using water because this is safest for all skin types. The paste should be nice and smooth and not thick, so add more water if required. Now our paste is ready. You can see how smooth it is. Now it is ready for application. Now take a little amount and apply to the affected area. Now most of the people have pigmentation around the mouth, so you can apply to the affected area or you can apply to the entire face as well.
Now moving on to the two products that will help you to get rid of the pigmentation. The first one is Now this is Fade Out from Eclat. This is their old packaging. The new packaging is a glass bottle, and unfortunately I broke it down. So anyways, I'll be sharing you the picture of the new packaging somewhere here on the screen for your reference. So this has been formulated with azelaic acid, niacinamide and licorice extract, a super formulation that is formulated in a way to address your stubborn acne marks and pigmentation. So if you have really stubborn acne marks, please go for this one because this has transformed so many people's skin, and no wonder why this is their best seller. Now Fade Out is such a beautiful formulation that can be used by all skin types, but if you are starting off with this, please use only at night twice a week followed by a moisturizer. And yes, this is your answer to all your pigmentation problem, especially if you have acne marks, stubborn acne marks that are not leaving your skin. This is going to help you, so please invest in this. The next product that is going to help you with your pigmentation issues is Eclat Vitamin C Serum. So it has 20% vitamin C, but again it is very safe for beginners. It also has vitamin E, ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. Now this product is going to leave a nice subtle glow on your skin. It is going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin and protect you against UV rays if you combine it with a nice sunscreen. So you can use it daily with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Vitamin C serum and a sunscreen is a match made in heaven to protect against UV rays. So this product is going to help you with mild pigmentation, mild acne scars or brown spots. So if you can, invest in this as well. So these are the two products that are going to help you with your pigmentation issues. But if you want to invest in only one product, I would highly recommend you to go with the Fade Out, because this is one such formulation that has the highest success rate. So if you only want to invest in one product, I would definitely tell you to go with this one. I have put a list of sunscreens and the purchase links of these two products along with their discount codes in the description box. So if you want to check out, you can. Apply the recommended DIY, that is the licorice and the orange peel powder DIY daily. Use a sunscreen daily no matter what, and apply Fade Out thrice a week at night will definitely help you to get rid of your pigmentation. Yes, that was all about it. So if you have any questions, put your questions in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer them. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.